If you're looking to create an email sequence in Apollo.io, you've come to the right place. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to get your first email sequence up and running quickly. Apollo.io is a powerful tool designed to streamline your outreach and automation efforts, and by the end of this video, you'll feel confident creating your own email sequences like a pro. Now, let's jump into how to create an email sequence in Apollo.io. First off, log into your Apollo.io account. If you don't have one yet, make sure to check out the first link in the description below for an exclusive offer. You can use Apollo for free, plus we've got some bonus perks just for you. Once you're in, click on the Sequences tab from the left-hand menu. This is where you'll manage your email sequences. To create a new one, click the Create Sequence button. This opens a new sequence template where you can customize your outreach. Start by naming your sequence. Give it a name that helps you easily identify the campaign or outreach objective, like Q1 Outreach or Product Launch Email Campaign. Once named, click Create to move forward. Next, it's time to build your emails. Apollo.io allows you to design your emails in a sequence format, where you can add multiple steps. You'll have the option to create emails, follow-ups, and even tasks between email touches. For each step, you can write a personalized message or use Apollo's template options. Personalization is key. Apollo lets you insert dynamic placeholders like first name, company name, or even job title into your email content. This makes your emails feel more personal and less like a mass marketing blast. For example, instead of saying hello, you can use a dynamic placeholder like first name, which Apollo will replace with the actual name of each recipient. Once you've crafted your email content, you can choose the timing for each step of the sequence. Apollo gives you flexibility here. You can set the intervals between emails or tasks, whether it's a day, 2 days, or even a week. This allows you to tailor your outreach for the best response rates based on your audience. Now, let's talk about automation. Apollo.io will automatically send your emails according to the sequence you've set up. You can also set reminders for follow-ups, making sure nothing slips through the cracks. If you want, you can enable triggers based on your contact's responses. For instance, if they reply to the first email, the next step of the sequence might be cancelled, or a new task could be created for a personal follow-up. Before you launch, you'll want to test your sequence. Apollo allows you to preview each email and tweak the timing or content if needed. Testing is crucial for making sure your sequence flows correctly and aligns with your goals. Once you're happy with your sequence, hit Start Sequence. Apollo will take care of the rest, sending your emails at the specified intervals and tracking all the interactions with your contacts. You can monitor how your sequence is performing through detailed analytics, seeing open rates, click rates, and reply rates. The great thing about using Apollo.io is the ability to scale your outreach while keeping it personalized. Whether you're reaching out to 50 or 500 people, Apollo ensures that your messages are sent without losing that personal touch, which can significantly improve your engagement rates. Now remember that you can use Apollo for free by clicking the link in the description below. You'll get an extended free trial with additional bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. And that's it. You now know how to create an email sequence in Apollo.io. Whether you're new to the software or just looking for a refresher, these simple steps will help you set up a sequence that can automate your outreach and bring in those responses. Make sure to test your sequences regularly and keep optimizing them for the best results. Don't forget, check out the link below for your exclusive offer to get started with Apollo.io. Start building better email sequences today.